Hello there, my name is Fabio and I welcome you to today's guided meditation. Thank you for being here. I kindly ask you to find your favorite meditation position. Make sure to have your spine upright. Turn off all of your notifications and close your eyes. Welcome to day 4 of your meditation journey. Let's begin by bringing awareness to your body with more intention today. Starting at the top of your head, really notice the sensations here. Maybe warmth, tingling, or just presence. Move to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. What do you actually feel in these areas? Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Notice without trying to change anything. You are developing a deeper relationship with your body. Today, we're using your body as another anchor for meditation alongside your breath. Notice your hands right now. Can you feel them without moving them? How does the skin feel like? Any pressure? Tingling? Feel your body against the surface which is supporting you. Your legs, your feet. These sensations are always here, waiting for your attention. Your body is happening in the present moment. It's never in the past. It's never in the future. Now let's combine body awareness with breath awareness. Feel your whole body breathing. Notice how your chest rises, your ribs expand, maybe even your back widens with each inhale. When thoughts come, you can return to either your breath or body sensations. you now have two anchors. You've just expanded your meditation toolkit. Your body is always available as a doorway to the present moment. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling grateful for your body's wisdom. Day 4 complete. You are halfway through your first week. Congratulations.